Good day, my dear classmates, and to our hardworking teacher. My name is Jethro Bisuliman, and for my presentation, I will discuss the differences of the two major sects of the religion Buddhism, which are the Theravada Buddhism and Mahayana Buddhism.
Just like our religion, which is Christianity, Buddhism is also divided by sects, mainly the Theravada and Mahayana Buddhism. So the Mahayana Buddhism is considered to be larger in terms of the followers, who has 360 million followers, while Theravada has only 150 million. So Mahayana is predominantly practiced in East Asia countries like China, Japan, Korea, and parts of Southeast Asia, while Theravada is commonly practiced in Southeast Asian countries, specifically in Thailand, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. But here's the catch. What made them different from each other? The first difference is their path to enlightenment. So for Theravada, their focus is to reach the enlightenment through rigorous monastic practice and meditation, aiming to become an arhat. So what is an arhat? It is the one who has attained nirvana or enlightenment, or to aim to become like Buddha, whom we know as Siddhartha Gautama. Moreover, the attempt of the Theravada Buddhist to attain nirvana is done individually, which means you have to reach nirvana or the enlightenment alone. Mahayana, on the other hand, focuses on becoming a bodhisattva. Bodhisattva is a being who is about to reach the enlightenment but purposely postpones their own enlightenment to help others achieve it, emphasizing compassion and the collective path to enlightenment. Unlike Theravada, Mahayana Buddhism encourages followers to help each other reach their own enlightenment. So the second difference is in terms of scripture and teachings. So Theravada Buddhism primarily relies on the Pali Canon. Pali Canon is considered to be the most authentic and original collection of Buddhist scriptures. So we, as Christians, have the Holy Bible. Buddhism followers, on the other hand, have Pali Canon. On the contrary, Mahayana Buddhism recognizes a wider range of scriptures. So the Pali Canon is still there, but they also have another scripture called Mahayana Sutras that offers new interpretations and teachings. When it comes to practice and rituals, Theravada Buddhist emphasizes monastic life and meditation with a strong focus on adhering to the Vinaya or the monastic rules. For Mahayana, they include a wide range of practices, including rituals, chanting, and devotional practices, with a greater emphasis on the role of lay people. But the most important difference between Theravada Buddhism and Mahayana Buddhism is on how they understand the Bodhisattva ideal. So for Theravada, the term Bodhisattva refers to a being on the path to enlightenment, but the focus is on individual achievement of enlightenment. But for Mahayana, the Bodhisattva is a key figure representing the ideal of compassion and helping others, and anyone can aspire to become one. So those are the difference, a simple discussion about the differences of Theravada and Mahayana. I hope you learned something from my discussion. Till we meet again, goodbye.